Hi everyone, my name is Jenny. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. As you guys can tell from the title, I did get another item from Louis Vuitton. This one was in stock and I saw it, so I decided just to grab it. I feel like I've been pretty lucky with getting things this kind of this month on Louis Vuitton, because I have been able to snag some of the really hard to find pieces. I do really want the Monsterie backpack, but I don't know if I'm going to get it used and then get all of the Pochette replaced, or if I'm going to try to find a used one that's in good condition, or if I just want the brand new one that they just came out with. I do prefer the pocket on the old one, which is why I kind of want that one a lot more, but I do know that you're more susceptible to getting pickpocketed with that little pocket, so I really don't know. But yeah, I will probably get one of those soon, but I don't know what. But this is a more smaller piece, obviously. It's really small piece, so I'm gonna go ahead and just unbox it with you guys. So can you guys guess what it is? I don't know if you will be able to. So it comes in this dust bag here. You can hear the chain. And this is the monogram mini pochette in the monogram with the vachetta. So that is what my tab looks like. And yeah, and it smells really nice. I got this shipped to me in less than a day, I want to say. I don't see anything wrong with it. It looks in the most perfect condition ever, and I really like this one because I wanted one with just the Pochette tab, because I find that although I do love my Big Cats one, sometimes I don't want to have red as the statement color. I kind of want something else. I decided just to go ahead and pick this up when I saw that it was in stock, and the way that I knew that, it was because I had contacted someone on the customer service, and I had asked him are there any mini pochettes anywhere, and he said no. And so I was like, okay, well, do you know when they'll be back in stock? And I just kind of, I don't know, I kind of pushed him a little bit, and he was like, okay, just check in 2 weeks, or check in a week and a half, call in a week and a half. And I was like, okay. So that's exactly what I did. I just went ahead and looked on the site almost every day leading up to the week and a half, and I just saw that it was in stock, and I decided just to put it in my cart. So yeah, this came out to $333, I believe. Yeah, $333 or something like that. Actually, I don't really remember. I think this is just a gift receipt. I don't think this is the big receipt. Yeah, this is just a gift receipt. It doesn't really tell you the price, but the item number is M58009, and yeah, so it's super cute. It's literally the exact same as my Big Cats one, just with a different tab, and it doesn't have the screen print on it, because I was also scared that the screen print would kind of rub off. I feel like if I use that one a lot, and if I take it in and out of my bag, because I do have the Speedy B25, it kind of rubs against it a little bit, and I found that I was just kind of nervous to use it all the time because of that reason. So I will just kind of leave that one on display, and then I will use this one, because this one I feel like I can use a lot more, and it's just oh, it feels so plush and nice. So yeah, I really like it. I'm really excited to have this piece. If you guys have been looking for this and you guys do want to purchase it, I do recommend just kind of checking the site every so often and kind of calling the customer service number. If you guys have really been dying for this piece and you guys want to purchase it through me, I will have to think about it for a little bit, because I don't think that I want to sell it, but I know that a lot of you guys have been messaging me and asking me oh, can I find this, can I find that, and if I would be able to resell it to you guys. That does take a lot of effort, and I don't want to rip anyone off. I don't want to seem oh, I'm getting a lot more money than what the item's actually worth, especially if I'm adding the tax in it. So I just don't want anyone to feel oh, I'm ripping you off and stuff, because it was just really annoying on my Pochette video. I sold it for the exact same price that I bought it for, and people thought oh, I was trying to scam somebody, or I wasn't able to return it, which I thought was so stupid. I'm able to return whatever I want. I can take this back tomorrow and just return it if I wanted to. I don't know where people get that idea from, and I just think it's so silly and just so stupid, honestly. They literally just make shit up out of their ass, and I just think it's really silly. But anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to give someone the chance to purchase the Pochette, and I feel a lot of people made me seem like the bad guy, which, I mean, I didn't do anything wrong, and no one lost anything. And someone gained a bag. So yeah, actually that bag did sell pretty quickly. I had a lot of people that were wishy-washy with purchasing the products, and I just kind of remained, you know, patient because I knew that it was going to sell. It did take a few people to, you know, some people wanted to make a payment plan, some people wanted to put a deposit, and I just really didn't feel comfortable doing that. So yeah, I just figured I would sell it to the first person who was able to pay me full, and I sent pictures and everything, and she's actually getting it on Friday. So yeah, I'm so happy for her, and I'm happier for myself because I have this little piece here. I know that some people think it's a waste of money to like have double of the same item, but I find my other Pochette to, now I can't even get the word straight. I find my other mini pochette to be more so like a collectible piece because, like I said, that is reminiscent of like my cat. So I have bangles, by the way. I only have one, but before I had a Savannah, and she was a serval mixed with a bengal. So yeah, when I lost her, it was really sad. And when I saw the Big Cats collection, I immediately thought of her, and I just thought like it was like the perfect item to get. So yeah, I'm really excited that I have this. I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I know it's pretty short, but I just kind of wanted to explain myself a little bit and let you guys know like my whole thought process with this whole POSTMATES fiasco and everything. You know, it wasn't a bad thing. I don't think that I did a bad thing, so my conscience is clear. I don't think that, you know, I ripped anyone off. Fair is fair. So yeah, anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed the unboxing of my mini pochette. I think it's so cute on denim. Like, I'm living for the monogram on denim. I think it's so cute. Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed once again. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below if you aren't already. And I do want to do a giveaway on like a Louis Vuitton item, but I think it would have to be like an SLG, obviously, like maybe like a card holder or something. But yeah, let me know if you guys would want me to do that because I think it would be really cool. I don't even have a card holder, but I'm so happy with my Victorine wallet. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, like I said, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.